Hey y'all, and welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. While you're here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This will help my channel to grow, and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. Okay, so I just turned everything over and painted it, and then realized I did not hit record on my camera. So I'm sorry. But what I was saying while I was doing this is that the next time I do this, I will not buy the cheap paint from Vase. I will definitely get a more expensive bottle. I've already went through this whole bottle, and I'm fixing to have to go get a second one just so I can make sure everything is white. After I painted the bottle, this is what it looks like. I love it, but it needed something else. So I decided to string some beads together and put a tassel on the end. You can watch the bead and tassel video here. And this is part of that video speeded up. And this is the finished product. I think it turned out amazing. Let me see what you do to your bottles. Until next time, happy crafting.